Question number 16. An object is placed at 20 centimeters from the pole of a concave mirror. If it forms a real image at a distance of 60 centimeters from the pole, the focal length of the concave mirror is. So look at here. Here he mentioned the object distance. First of all, write down the mirror name, concave mirror, and the object distance he mentioned as 20 centimeters from the pole. So it will be 20 centimeters, and the image is formed at a distance of 60 centimeters outside the mirror. It is nothing but the real image. And if you go through the diagram, this is concave mirror, we don't know. So look at here, the size is formed at the image is formed at a distance of 60 centimeters. The object is at 20 centimeters, the image distance is formed at 60 centimeters. And look at here, if you apply the sign conventions, u will be negative and v also negative. Why? Because both will be lies outside the mirror. From the formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, the mirror formula, and apply the formula, you will get the answer. 1 by v value is minus 60 plus u value is minus 20. Now the LCM will be 60 only. You'll get minus 1 minus 3, nothing but minus 4 by 60, and the f value will be minus 60 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. It will be minus 15 centimeters. So the option is second option. Question number 17. A concave mirror produces 4 times magnified of an object placed at 10 centimeters in front of it. Find out the position of the image. Look at here, a concave mirror producing 4 times magnified image of an object placed 10 centimeters in front of it. See, look at here, m is equal to minus v by u here, and the magnification either it may be plus 4 or minus 4. We have two consequences. Why? Because in case of a concave mirror, we will get real image as well as virtual image, but both the images are enlarged also we are getting. So that's why here I consider case 1 and case 2. The case 1 I considered plus 4 is the magnification. So plus 4 is equal to minus v by, and the what is the u value here in the question? Minus 10 centimeters. Minus minus will get cancelled. V will be is equal to plus 40 centimeters. And coming to the case 2, minus 4 is equal to minus v by, sorry, look at here. Here it will be plus 4 in the first condition, second condition minus 4, minus 10. Minus minus will get cancelled. V is equal to minus 40 centimeters. In both the situations, we got the magnitude as plus. Ignore the sign, consider the magnitude 40 centimeters. 17th option 4. Coming to the 18th question. A diverging mirror of radius of curvature 40 centimeters from an image which is half the height of the object. Find the object and image position. See, look at here. Once again, read the question. A diverging mirror. What is a diverging mirror, friends? Diverging mirror is nothing but a convex mirror. So a convex mirror is a diverging mirror. So convex mirror. Question number 18. A convex mirror is a diverging mirror. What is the radius of curvature here? He mentioned R is equal to 40 centimeters. It will be plus sign. Why? Because C will lies inside the mirror. If we apply the sign conventions, F will be also equal to plus R by 2. It will be plus 20 centimeters. And what is the data he had mentioned? Forms an image which of the height of the object. So the magnification indirectly he mentioned that plus 1 by 2. Why? Because in case of a concave mirror, always a virtual image is formed. Virtual image will be formed. And find the object and image position. That is the question. But We know m is equal to minus v by u. Then we will have 1 by 2 is equal to minus v by u. From this we will get u is equal to minus 2v. From mirror formula, what is mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Substitute these values, we will get the answer. 1 by f value is how much? Plus 20, plus 20 is equal to 1 by v plus, in place of u I will write minus 2v. The LCM will be 2v on the RHS side, 2 minus 1. It will be the 1 by 20 on the LHS side. 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by 2v. 2 ones are 2 times. V will be is equal to plus 10 centimeters, and u will be is equal to minus 2v, which will be is equal to minus 2 into 10, which is equal to minus 20 centimeters. So option 1 is the correct option. Coming to the question number 19. A concave mirror of focal length 8 centimeters form an inverted image of an object placed at a certain distance. So a concave mirror of focal length. So the given mirror is concave mirror of focal length is 8 centimeters. If we apply the sign conventions, f will be minus. Inverted forms an inverted image of an object at a certain distance. If the image is twice as large as the object, the image is formed at a distance of dash centimeters. So indirectly he mentioned here the image is inverted image. So in order to get the inverted image, it will be the real image only. So the image characteristics are real and inverted. For real and inverted characteristics, the magnification will be negative. This thing many times I told you. So the magnification is twice as large. So it will be 2 minus 2. Now, how will you solve? M is equal to, we have the formula minus v by u, which will be is equal to minus 2. Minus minus will get cancelled. Then you will have v is equal to 2u. Coming to the mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. And what is the f value here? Minus 8 is equal to the v value as it is I had written plus the u value is 2u. Sorry, in place of look at here. Actually, we need to find the object distance now. See, from this I will write u is equal, sorry, v is equal to, I will write 2u, or u is equal to v by 2, right? So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So I will write the v terms in terms of u, so that it is very simple to calculate. F value is minus 8 and the v value, how much the v value is? V value is 2u plus the u value is how much? U value is u only. Then you will have the LCM is 2u, 1 plus 2 by minus 1 by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by u, and the u value is equal to minus 12 centimeters. And what is the question he is asking? He is asking, the question is, what is the image distance? If u is equal to minus 12, and what will be the v? V is equal to 2 times of u, 2 into minus 12, then it will be minus 24 centimeters. The option is third option. And coming to the 20th question. An object is placed at a distance in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeters. See, in order to solve this question, here the data is missing in the question. Look at here. See, an object is placed at a distance in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature. Radius he had mentioned as 30 centimeters. It will be plus 30 and F will be is equal to plus 15 centimeters. Okay, fine. So in order to find out the image distance, definitely we need to either have the object distance or magnification. Magnification. So both anything he didn't mention in the question. So data is not there. Data insufficient. Unfortunately, we don't have any option in question number 20. So the option is data insufficient. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, Wow Academy for Physics, to get more videos on the concepts of physics. Thank you very much.